I need to talk about AI. This is totally unplanned, but I was just opening my email and I got a message from a client in a disturbing situation. And I'm kind of in a hurry. I have a meeting coming up, and I wanted to answer, and then my Gmail automatically put the AI suggestion in. And I don't want to use that. And I know what to answer, but having it there is such a temptation because it's so fast and it sounds, so intelligent, and it sounds so grounded and kind and whatever, that I totally understand how myself or somebody else could be tempted to just send it. But if you read that response, that automatic AI response, there is zero anything, right? They don't know the person, they don't know the circumstances, they don't know the history. They just say anything that fits to the words that they have read in the email. And that is so incredibly dangerous because it is not a real answer. It's thin air. It's thin air. And so often I hear clients saying, well, I have analyzed this for several months now with AI and I just need your validation. Like, no, that is so wrong, because AI is an echo box. The way you put something in, it gets something out to you. And it usually validates your point of view, even though that might be completely flawed. Unless you really know how to prompt. And even then, even if you say, ask me the right questions, analyze this critically, whatever, they never know, or you would have to give them so much information about who is the other person, how do they react, what is their history, what is my history with them. Just saying my boyfriend or my mother or my narcissistic father or my immature brother or whatever you are telling them is not enough. It's not enough. And the responses that come out from AI, I mean, if you want to research what I'm doing right now, like what can I do to bring my glucose level down? That's something medical. That's something pretty clear and pretty like the same for most people, because then if you analyze, I don't know, age and hormones and weight and stuff, the answer is easy. But with people, answering messages or analyzing relationships or asking what to say is not good enough with AI. It's not. AI is not a therapist. And I'm saying that and I'm like, I don't know, I'm losing it here because it's so tempting, and I can see how it's so tempting. It's so tempting for me as well. But I like, we have to say it, and we have to teach our kids, and we have to just share this because it's not enough. It's wrong. What they say is wrong. And with this just simple email and very simple answer, it just like came into my eye. I know that, but I just had to say something. So I love my AI for certain things, but not for everything. So please keep your brain engaged. And if somebody asks you a real question, answer a real answer instead of asking AI. Please.